Hey guys, quick video on how to make a leak down tester for your engine. So this in total cost me about $30-ish. You can see I got my blaster part here. This is for a blaster engine. But you can definitely make it work for something like a Yz125, Banshee, whatnot. It's pretty freaking basic. Size may vary a little bit. First thing, go to Home Depot and Walmart. It's all I had to go. This is a Otley, not sure you pronounce it, PVC end plug, where when you spin that wig nut, it basically tightens up a rubber plug in there. And this is the 1.5 inch one. Fit perfectly snug in my blaster flange there. And that's so that you don't leak out of your exhaust. And then your other side, right, will be the intake. So there's my PWK 28 clone. And for the intake, I found the best piping, best pipe that worked was the 1 inch PVC. You can see I cut a piece that's about 3.5 inches long. Another piece that's probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Wasn't very specific with it, didn't really care, just used a hacksaw. This is the one that fits snugly on the engine side there by the reed valve, that intake side. So I can clamp down, and then I'm pretty much just gonna take my Odie, never mind. That plug's also Odie brand. Either way, I'm basically gonna PVC cement these together, the short sides for the intake, and then I have the bend so that my little pressure gauge here that I built will stick out to the side and make it easier to read. I got this too, $6, it was worth it. I'm gonna be putting in 7 PSI. You can see this one goes a little bit high, but the gauge should do a lot better than just a bike pump one. To make this, which is the end cap, so it can hold pressure, this is a 1 inch end cap for PVC pipe. And then I basically just drilled the hole and stuck a tubeless tire valve in there, which is the same one. It's on my ITP rims. And I'm pretty much just gonna glue all this together here, and I'm gonna put some pressure in the system once I pull my carb off, 7 PSI like I said. Gonna take soapy water in a spray bottle. I got some Dawn down there. And I'm pretty much just gonna spray and look for where it's bubbling up, so let's do it. Okay guys, so I got it hooked up. I did have a very bad air leak before. Can you hear that? Better yet, can you see it? I'm gonna have to go to the other side, but you can see, look at all those bubbles right there. Totally bubbling up right out of my reed block. You can hear it audibly too. But here's what the tester looks like, right? So I got the pipe clamped in there. These connectors let it dry. This little valve sticking out. Got my bike pump hooked up. I'm not even using this because the leak is so big it won't hold any pressure at all. Other than maybe like a few seconds. So huge leak on my reed block. I think it's only between like the actual reed block and this rubber flange thing, because you can see where it's coming out. I don't think it's actually the secondary part, but I need to go in there and reseal everything because clearly causing me some problems.